Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Navy Federal to Vanguard for IRA contributions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Navy Federal to Vanguard for IRA contributions, start by logging into your Navy Federal account.
Navigate to the Transfers section from your dashboard.
Select External Transfers to set up linking to your Vanguard account.
Click on Add External Account to begin the linking process.
You will need your Vanguard account number, which you can find by logging into Vanguard. Once you have the account number, enter it into the required field in Navy Federal.
Follow the prompts to provide any additional information, including your name and the type of account you are linking. Review the information you've entered to ensure it is accurate. Submit your request to link the accounts. You may need to verify your identity through security questions or a verification code sent to your email or phone. After submitting, wait for Navy Federal to process your request. This may take a few days, so be patient during this period. Once your accounts are linked, you can go back to your Navy Federal account to initiate an IRA contribution. Select the amount you wish to contribute and the frequency of the contribution.
Confirm that the funds will be transferred to your Vanguard IRA. Finally, review all details one last time before submitting your contribution request.
You should receive a confirmation once the transfer is complete.
Now, you can monitor your contribution through both Navy Federal and Vanguard platforms. Regularly check both accounts to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly.
With this setup, you are now able to efficiently manage your IRA contributions.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.